on, hold on, hold on. Don't go anywhere yet. Hey, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel, Classy Sassy Mains. We have a job to do today. We have to make this classy sassy. If I was to let you walk out of the house with this, I would be doing you a disservice. I would be just telling you a lie. Well, I don't want to tell you a lie and say, hey, this looks good, when it doesn't. Which I seen somebody say it did, when obviously it was too big for that person. So, we are going to fix that today. So, we have got Miss Joss here. Joss from Renee Paris. I couldn't wait to get her in. She actually is a gorgeous piece. She is a regular cap, which you wouldn't be able to tell. Now, I did have her, when I just put her on, I didn't do anything with her. You can bring her down a little bit. She's got some permatease, so you can let her fluff up. But the problem is with her, even if I was to take in the adjusters all the way in, it still wouldn't fit me right. What you think? Nope. Still no. All right. So, we are going to remedy this. I'm not going to be cutting in the bangs today, but I'm going to be sewing up the wefts, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So, we'll be right back, and I'm going to get my stuff together, and we're going to fix this. So, I won't sit there and be fibbing to you going, oh, this looks good, fluff it up. No, we're not going to do that. Although, some people can look good. But, seriously, this one, if you've got I'm 21.5 circumference. I'm more petite, ear to ear. I'm 11, and I'm 13 around the back, and 13 from the hairline to the nape. And I'm just a little petite, but seriously, we're gonna fix her because she is pretty, and she can be a little classy and sassy. So let's get her fixed for you guys. Okay, beautiful people, we're back. So we are going to fix Miss Joss by Renee of Paris, and she is in the color of, let me not get it wrong here, she's in the color of marble brown, R, rooted. She's very pretty, so we want to fix her up. So, and it's R for the root. We are going to fix her up. So, she is a basic cap. There's no lace front. There's some permatease in there. So what we're going to do is we are going to start here and work our way with these wefts and sew them up. And we're going to do about 4. And so each row up, you can put this on a mannequin head if you want to. Let me try to do that the other way. See if you can see that a little better. There we go. All right. What I have on right now is by Ellen Villa. It's my Ocean in Bernstein Rooted. Isn't it pretty? This is just one of my pretty colors. I love that one. I have a couple of colors, a couple of different Ellen Villas in this color. It's just beautiful. All right, so this is a darker cap, so I just tend to get a needle and thread, put a little knot at the end, a bigger knot I should say, at the end, and start working. So we're going to start here. Let's make sure that I get you in here. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, these are kind of big here. How about let's just do 3? We're just going to do the 3 today. And I go in the middle. You're not going to hurt the wefts at all. And then that way, if you ever do want to sell the wig, give it away, or anything like that, you can. Let me get that one in there good. So you see I've got the 3, and then I'm going to come up here and I'm going to attach it. So when I do, that just pulls those up. Now, if you have some that fits pretty good around the crown area, but you want them to come up around the ear tabs, you can take some and just do around here, and it will bring up the ear tabs. So you can do that too. And my knot wasn't big enough. It went through that bottom one. So, and I like to put a couple of stitches in. Oh, sorry. So my bottom one came off. My knot wasn't big enough. So let's make sure you can see. I'm just going to go back through it again and then come back up here. And I just put a couple of stitches in each one. I do not connect this one to this one to this one. They're individual, so if one comes apart, you can fix that one up without it hurting all the others. So I'm going to loosen that up on that head. Usually I just do this by hand, so it's not stretched out on my mannequin. But you see how that is. So, and I do that all the way around. Started to forget to do my knot. So, anyway, we're going to do a knot, and I'm going to do a couple more, and I'll show you how they are so I don't bore you to death, okay? Hold on. Guys, we're back for a few seconds anyway. I was going to show you what I've done. I've gotten halfway done, 6 there. It doesn't take a long time, so actually I think I got a little extra one in that one. So I've gotten like halfway there. It doesn't take long. I usually do it off the mannequin and just put it in my hand and do it real quick like that. It's really pretty quick. So I'm going to finish this up. Then we're going to put it on. See what else we need to do to it to make her look good. All right, guys. We'll be right back again. Hey, guys. We're back. All right. She's fixed. Tell me what you think. She is a messy fix. Oh, I love her. I love messy ones. This is going to be a good beach one. So 3 across all the way around, and look, now she barely goes over my glasses, which most all of them do go over my glasses just because they're normal. Now if you wanted to take it up a little bit more, you could, but that would be because I mean she's sitting good here. I have no more room back there, you know, so she feels really good. I can't push her down. So she's definitely fitting. So tell me what you think. You know, these things are expensive. These are a lot better price point than some of the others with the lace fronts and all the bells and whistles. But this one's going to last you a lot longer because this is a basic cap. Workhorse fibers from Renee of Paris. This is an everyday wearer. You can wear this to work every day and look very classy. You can look very sassy, whatever you want. I think she's gorgeous. She even has bangs, and which I love bangs, but since I've sewn that up, I really wouldn't have to cut bangs if I wanted to wear them down. But guys, the thing is make it your own. You know, you can dress it up. You can wear clips in it. You can wear headbands. You can dress her up. Make her your own. But the thing is you want to be comfortable in it. And you want her to fit. So, when you've got a petite head like I do, sometimes you just have to do. And I don't want to cut wefts. That's too much trouble to cut wefts, sew everything back up and all that stuff. That's too much. Too much. Just take it and sew that up. So that way later on you want to give it to somebody so they can refurbish it for somebody else, or you decide, hey, I've just got something else I want to wear better, or whatever it is, you can take those stitches out and it's fine, and you can give it to somebody else or you could sell it. So that's up to you. But anyway, this is, I hope, to help teaching you a little bit. If you have any comments, let me know. There's a couple of other ways out there, like I said. Sometimes in the instead of doing it in the middle like I do, they'll take and do strings down the middle of these seams and take it up that way. I haven't done that. Sometimes people do cut their wefts out, but I personally don't want to do that. But I definitely don't want to lie to you either whenever something is definitely too big for you. So I don't want you walking out being uncomfortable with something that's just too big. Let's make it fit you. All right, guys, leave a comment, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share it. It helps the channel grow. All right, guys, I will see you next time. I hope this helps a little bit.